Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unlink Roblox account from PS4, PS5. All right, let's begin. First, open Roblox on your PC and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account options. Inside the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and click on the Security tab. This section contains information about your account protection and active sessions. Scroll down until you find the area that shows where your account is currently logged in. Here, you will see a list of connected devices, including your PlayStation. Next to the PlayStation connection, there will be an option labeled Disconnect or Unlink. Click on this button to remove the connection between your Roblox account and your PS4 or PS5. Once you confirm the action, your account will be successfully unlinked from the console. So that's basically how you can unlink Roblox account from PS4, PS5. That's it for this video. Thanks.